Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you a way to earn money online. It's free, available worldwide, completely easy to do. Also, I'm going to share with you a free software which can automate the whole process of earning money online for you by this app. You don't need any skills, any experience, and you can start making money online today after watching this video while you're sleeping. While you're working, you can make money online by this app. Please keep watching this video. If you've just found our channel, I'm Ershad from United Braves. This channel is about entrepreneurship, success, mindset, online and offline marketing, working and making money online. To watch more videos like this video and future videos, please right now click on the red button below the video and subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe right now. There are videos here to help you make money online, work from home, how to master your life, how to master your business, and there's a course here, how to become a millionaire in 21 steps. They are waiting for you. Please subscribe our channel. In this video I'm going to share with you a way to make money online. It's completely free, easy to do, and available worldwide. And I'm going to share with you a free software at the end of this video. Please keep watching this video till in the end of this video, because this software that can help you to automate all the process of making money online for you by this app. And it's really great. You know, while you are working, while you're sleeping, you can make money online by this app, and it really works really great. And you can start making money and earning hundreds of dollars by this app. It really works if you really want to make money online. This is a nice app for you that you can start making money online today. Let's start it. This is the app, Buzz Break News, Buzz News and Earn Free Cash. Buzz Break is a news app that shows you buzz breaking news from the internet. You can also earn points, redeem them for cash. Really, it's like this. And as you see, there are over 5,000 reviews, and most of them are positive for this app. And this app, it shows that this app really works, and you can make money online by this app. And you see the rate of this app is 4.6, and that's really great. At first, this is one of the reviews. At first, I doubt to download it because there's a lot of apps with good reviews, but rather a scam. Using Buzz Break myself is worth the time. Not just news, it's actually paying you out for every news you open. So, you know, plus daily login rewards, earning points is not too hard when you refer friends. You see the reviews are here. And this is a really nice app. You can make money online by this app. And you see there are over 5,000 positive reviews for this app. So it shows this app really works for you. And there are some screenshots here. Buzz breaking news. And this is the home page of this app. Earn real cash and cash out easily. Also, you can choose PayPal, and that's great. And it's really like this. I'm gonna show you some proofs of this app. You see here, you will receive the cash out pretty soon. Actually, this person earned this amount of points, and then it's like this. It's written here, for 2000 points you can earn 0.02, for 10,000 points you can earn 10 cents, for 50,000 points you can earn 50 cents. But don't worry, it's not difficult to earn points. I'm gonna share with you a free software which can automate the whole process, and while you're sleeping, while you're working during the days, you can earn points for making money. That really works, and it's easy to do. You see, for example, this person earned this amount of money. As you see, 10 cents. And this actually you can earn 0.02 for referral link that I'm gonna share with you what it is. So this app is really great. You can start making money online by this app. As you see, earn real cash. You can invite your friends, there is a link here, and then by inviting your friends you can earn points and then cash out. It's really easy to do. I recommend you work with this app one day at least, and you should know how this app works for you, how it works and how you can earn points. If you know very well how you can work with this app, then I'm gonna share with you a free software, a free app that you can automate all the process of earning points with this app. And then, for example, while you are sleeping, while you are working during the days, you can earn points without any effort, and then cash out. So you can earn hundreds of dollars by this app. Really, it is like this because it automates all the process for you, and you don't need any skills or any experience. So it automates all the things for you, and while you are working, while you are sleeping, you're earning points in order to make money. Here we are. There is an app here, AutoClicker, automatic tap. AutoClicker helps you do repeated taps at any location. AutoClicker doesn't require road access. Have a floating control panel to start, stop the automatic tap. It's great for click games, and you can use this app. As you see, easy to use, really easy to use. Single target mode and multi-targets mode, auto sweep, and support stop timer. That's really great. Also, you can set a time, for example, stop working. That's nice, and no road required. So there's a video here also. You can watch this video. In this video, it exactly shows you how to work with this app, and you can watch this video later. It actually shows you really how it works, and you can set the settings of this app for earning points, and it shows you everything. The process and how you can set this app. It's really easy to do. And then after setting up this app, you don't need anything to do. Because this app can automate all the process of earning points for you, and then you can make money. That's all. And just you need to install this app and also install this app, and they can work together really well. Then you can make money online while you're working and while you're sleeping during the day. That's it. I hope you like this video. Please hit the thumbs up. I want you to like this video to watch more videos like this video and future videos. Please right now click on the red button below the video and subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you. And every day I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. And if you have any questions, or if you already had some experiences by using this kind of apps, please please share with us your ideas, your experience, and also if you have any questions you can ask and leave your comment and I'll join the conversation. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.